Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I explained in detail about the control statements. In that control statements, I completed the conditional statements. In this video, I am going to explain the looping statements. So, just brief recap of the previous video. Conditional statements. What are the conditional statements? So, we have if, else, if, nested if in the conditional statements. What will be the syntax? If condition, whatever the code we want to write, elif again condition, whatever code we want to write, and else again the code what we want to print in the output. So this will be the syntax. We have to see indentation very clearly. If we miss any indentation in Python, it will give error. So this is the conditional statements. Now let's see what are the looping statements. So we have looping statements like while and for loop. We have for loop and while loop. So basically these two are very important in programming of Python. So let's see what is the syntax for the for loop first. After that we'll go to while loop. So for for loop, for variable name, membership operator, sequence. This is the syntax for loop. So for variable name, so in my previous videos I explained detailed about variable names and the rules of the variable names, how to declare that, everything I explained clearly. If anyone want to know about variable names clearly, once see my previous videos. Okay, now variable name is nothing but some element, or it's nothing but declaring a variable. So you know that variable name. Membership operator also I explained in the previous video, so once check out if you don't know. So membership operators are nothing but in, not in, means we have variable name and the sequence, so we have to check variable name is there in the sequence or not, means this variable name is there in sequence. So membership operators are in, not in. We can use in or not in, but most of the conditions will be using in only. So membership operator in, so means this variable name is there in the sequence or not, we have to check. That is the main condition. We have to check this variable name is there in the sequence or not. So sequence is nothing but some series of elements or series. So by some example you will be understanding more clearly. As of now, see, we have to check that variable name is present in the sequence or not. That is the condition. So here we can write some code what we want to print. By the way, I started a new course of knowledge, representation and reasoning in Telugu. If anyone are really interested to learn the subject of the KRR, you can refer to my playlist and see the videos. Now let's come back to our Python course. So this is the syntax for loop. Now let's see practically to understand more clearly. So let's see practically. So first we have to write for, then whatever the variable name. So let's take a variable name like I. We can take any meaningful variable name, our wish, and a membership operator we will be taking in. Sorry, in. And sequence. To write a sequence, we need a list. So to keep the sequence means for one number we can, for one variable we can keep a variable name. But if we have a set of values or set of sequence or series of the numbers, we have to write in the form of a list or tuple or dictionary or the set. This thing I will explain in upcoming videos, but as of now, list means you can remember in this way. Let's say lis is a variable name, some variable name equals to, list will be in the form of a square brackets only. In the square brackets only we can mention whatever the sequence we want. So we'll be writing the sequence of this thing. Yeah. So this is some sequence, so we can keep in this like this. So this is the sequence. LIS, what is there in this LIS? The set of, the sequence of series, the sequence of elements which are there in the list. So each and every variable will be checking in the lis is there or not. Now let's try to print I. What will be getting output? Let's see what you're getting. 2 4 6 8 10. So I think I explained about this list, set, tuple in my previous video of datasets. Once check that video. So let's see what is that datasets. I think I explained briefly, not in detail. Explain, no, these are the list. Will be denoting the list in this format, tuple in this format, set, dictionary. This thing I explained, no. So similarly, we can use here this list, or we can use even tuple. Tuple can be denoted in this normal brackets, so we will not get any error. Same result. Similarly, even we can use this set also, which is denoted in flower brackets. So in this way also we can represent, or we can directly use the sequence over here. Okay, we can directly use the sequence over here, and this thing we can comment out. Okay, directly we can use this thing also. See, same output. Means here what is happening? So here 2 4 6 8 10 is there in some index format. Means the index will be starting from 0 1 2 so on. Means first the variable name I. So I will be going to 2, which is the index value 0, and it will be printing the 2. Okay, next, again this is the loop, no, again it will go to the for loop, and it will, after completion of 0, next is 1. So 1 means index number 1 is 4. So next it will be printing 4. Again it will go to for loop. Next 0 1 completed. Next to 2. 2 means the index number of 2 is 6. So 6. Similarly, everything it will be traversing. It will be traversing after one number, after one number, after one number. So in the for loop, each number, if we keep in the sequence format, the each number will be traversing. So we can see this looping statement as iterative statements also. It will be iterating, traversing. So in this way also we can represent, or we can use like a range format. First thing I'll explain you what is the range. See, let's take r as a variable name, some variable name, and if we want to write a range from 1 to 10, and just try to print this r, what will be the output? See, just it is printing 1 to 10. Okay, but if we show this thing in the range, means this range in the for loop, see what is the difference. So we'll keep r. So in this r, what is it? It has a range from 1 to 10. So let's print let's print I. So what will the output? See, it is printing 1 2 3 4 4 5 6 7 8 9, till 9 only it is printing, but the range is from 1 to 10. It means it will not print 10, it will print till 10 minus 1 only in the range. Whatever we'll be writing in this first 1 will be printing as usual. At the end, what will be writing, that will be minus 1. So it will not print that 10, it will be printing minus 1 of that. Means till 9 only it will print. Means the range from 0 to, sorry, the range from 1 to 9. Okay, this is the range. The range will be from 1 to 9 only, not 10. 10 will not include. In this way also we can use the for loop. Understood? In this way also we can use the for loop. This is one task I want to I have. It should show only the even numbers from 1 to 10. What are the even numbers are there in 1 to 10 only the even numbers only should be printed by using for loop. Pause the video and try it out. I think you tried out. This is the code. Okay, in the for loop we can even use the if condition also. Okay, I kept the range from 1 to 11 means if I keep 1 to 10, 10 will not include. So after I kept 11 means till 10 it will be printing. So I kept the one condition as I percentage means moduli of 2 equals to 0 means the number which will be divided by 2, if we get the remainder 0, only print that value or that variable. Understood? We have to print only the value which is divisible by 2 completely. If it is divisible by 2, we can say that is an even number. Understood? In this way also we can solve. Similarly, we can use the nested for loop also in this way, like other for condition for I in range, let's say 11 to 21. Now let's try to print I comma j. See what will be the output here. See, look at here. What is going to print? So first for I it will be going to see the first condition which is 1. Then it will go inside the for loop, other for loop. Then 11, 1, 11. Again 1, 12. Again 1, 13 till 1 reaches to 20. After completion 120, see over here again it starts with 2, then again with 3, again with 4, again with 6, like that, so on. Every condition will be printed over here. In this way also we can use this for loop. Here if we want any condition, we can use a condition according to our question also. So if you know the for loop syntax and logic, you can try in many ways. Okay, this is the syntax and this is some practical exercises. You can try by your own some more exercises. Next comes to while loop. What is the syntax for while loop? Just while condition. That's it. Let's try over here. We'll be reviewing our previous code. Yeah, while we'll keep a condition like true, and we'll try to print that true. Print a statement like Python. Okay, what will be the output? Let's see. See, we are getting infinite pythons. Okay, means while true means if the condition is true, print python means the condition will be always true. We mentioned that while true, so true will be in the all the conditions. So python will be printing python will be printed infinitely because in all conditions it is true only. No, understood the condition? In all conditions it comes true only. So python will be printing in infinitely python will be printing. To stop this python, to stop this python at some particular condition or it's a particular point, we have to stop this loop. Means this python is printing till the condition is true. We have to make it as false to stop it. Yes or no? When the condition is true only, it is printing the python infinitely. So when this python will be stopping or ended, when the condition is false only, it will be stopping. No, so we have to make this condition as false. How? Let's see over here. So we kept flag equals to 1. 1 means true. So while flag means when the condition is true. When the condition is true, print this python. When the condition false, print this. Understood the difference? While the condition will be true, when the condition is true, python will be printed over here. When the condition get false, means 0, the condition will be printing as end. So this is the difference. Okay, let's try in other way. While k greater than 0 is one condition, we can keep one condition also. Let's try to print k, not k. We can keep any statements like hi. So here we'll be keeping a variable to declare this k equals to 10. Means what we wrote, k equal to 10. 10 is greater than 0. So 10 is greater than 0, no. The condition is true. Means here 10 is greater than 0. So the 10 will be greater than 0 in all conditions. Yes or no? 10 is greater than 0. Obviously, it is true in all the conditions. Means here we'll get true in all conditions. Means how many times the high will be printed? Infinite times. So I'm stopping here. So infinite times it is printing. Why? Why? Because k is greater than 0. Means 10 is greater than 0 in all conditions. In every condition, this 10 will be greater than 0 only. It will not become false. It is always true. In every condition, 10 is greater than 0. In each and every conditions, it is true only. So that it will be printing infinite times. And 10 means it will not stop at certain point. So it will be executing infinitely. To stop the particular condition at some particular place, we can increment this k value. See, we can increment this. We can increment like this. Means, so first k will be checking 10 is greater than 0. Yes, here will be changing to something as 20. So first 10 will be coming. 10 will check 10 is greater than 20. Here also will be changing the thing. Yes, we'll be writing in this way, or else, yeah, yeah. Now see, so 10 is greater than 20. 10 is greater than 20. Okay, first 10 is greater than 20. Absolutely, it is correct. It will be printing high. Again, we have one more condition, which is we have to increment the k value. 2 plus 1 means k is 10. So increment plus 1 means 11. Now it will be checking the 11 till it will be checking 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 21 satisfies this condition? No, it will stop there only. So let's try. See how many times it is printing. Or else we'll be writing in this way, you can understand more clearly. You can keep like k also, you can understand till where it is counting and till where it is printing. So till it is printing till 19, because when it comes to 20, 20 is not greater than 20. It does not satisfy the 20 condition still. So till 19 only the condition satisfies. So till 19 only it will be going to print. Till 10 to 19 only will be printing. In this way also we can try it out. In this way you can try many problems, many exercises. So as of now, that's it for this video. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.